Lunar New Year on day 2. Visiting maternal homes, a time for gratitude.
Day 2, returning home, a day of love and reunion. What do people do on the second day of Lunar New Year?
A day of love and reunion.
The highlight of Lunar New Year's Day 2 is returning home. Married daughters visit their parents with their husbands and children to express gratitude and blessings. This day isn't just about tradition, it's about strengthening family bonds. Activities like worshiping the Earth God, enjoying a hearty homecoming banquet, and visiting friends make Day 2 a warm and joyful occasion.
Visiting the wife's family on Lunar New Year Day 2.
Origin of the tradition.
In traditional agricultural societies, after marriage, a woman became part of her husband's family and would typically spend Lunar New Year's Eve and Day 1 with them. Day 2 was designated as the day for married daughters to return home. On this day, married daughters, along with their husbands and children, visit their parents to show respect and gratitude.
Taboos on Lunar New Year Day 2.
Do not visit empty-handed.
When visiting your parents on Day 2, you should not arrive empty-handed. Bringing gifts symbolizes respect, gratitude, and sharing good fortune with your family.
Common gifts for visiting family on Lunar New Year Day 2.
Pastry gift box. Fruit basket. Alcohol gift set.
Do not stay overnight.
Traditionally, married daughters should not stay overnight at their parents' house on Day 2. Staying over might be seen as bringing bad luck or as being reluctant to return to their husband's home.
Do not rush to leave.
Visiting home on Day 2 is a time for emotional connection. Rushing to leave too soon might be seen as disrespectful and could symbolize taking away the family's good luck. Happy Lunar New Year!